Lost your Toshiba Fire TV Remote, or maybe the remote has stopped working? Then why buy a new one when you can use your smartphone as a better alternative? Let me show you how to use your iPhone or Android as your Toshiba Fire TV's remote. All you need to do is install the official Amazon Fire TV app from either Google Play Store or your iPhone's App Store. Just search Fire TV and tap on the one named Amazon Fire TV. Make sure it's from Amazon Mobile LLC. Now go ahead, install and open it. Allow the permission pop-up, and right away you should see your Toshiba Fire TV here. If you don't, just make sure you're using the same Wi-Fi on your phone. Now click on your TV's name and put in the 4-digit passcode that you see on the TV screen. And boom, it has taken us straight to the remote's interface. As you can see here, you have all the features of the basic remote and some extra features on top of that. So now you can forget about your TV remote and enjoy entertainment. Hope this helped you out, and I'll see you around.